Look at that girl go. Look at that girl twirl on the ice. Look at her skirt swirl. She must practice every day. She skates fast up and down the ice. First, she curls up like a ball. Then she jumps and turns in the air. Look at that girl go. How does she do it? Now she jumps up and twirls 4 times fast. She comes down on the ice with a jerk. It looks like that hurt, but she still smiles. Will she win the contest? Yes, she is much better than all the others. You go, girl.